What's it all about? Every day we hear the words. Words like quality, productivity, excellence, competition. Words don't seem to get the whole message across. But we can tell you what it's all about. It's about work and jobs and what's happening at Delco Products. Some of you know right now what's happening. There have been layoffs, closed doors, empty rooms, silent machines. They're moving out the equipment that was once used to build appliance motors. And this equipment is only 2 years old. It's expensive machinery designed to help us do better work, make better motors. But it didn't work out that way. These machines were bought so Delco Products could be more competitive. Now, they're moving them out, selling them to the competition. Why? Because the machines didn't work? Not really. We just couldn't compete in the marketplace. Somehow, we didn't put it all together. Sometimes, some of us didn't think it was necessary to come to work every day. The cost of quality in Dayton couldn't meet the competition elsewhere. Now, the doors are closed. 1,300 people were laid off. Some did come back to work in other areas, but a lot of jobs were lost. Many can relate the shutdown to work in the hermetically sealed appliance motor area. For them, that's where it happened. What's it all about? It's about competition. In the whole world, people are working, making the motors that once was our job. Somebody down south, somebody out west, even somebody in Japan is doing that work. The need is still there, but the competition is getting the job done. Now you know. You say there's really nothing to worry about? We have new products coming up? Yes and no. We can't take 2 steps backward while we take 1 step forward. We need the new products and the old business too. That's the only way we can stay healthy. We can learn a lot from what happened in other industries. Most of us know that 9 out of 10 home radios are made in Japan. That industry is gone from the USA. Did you know that 2 out of every 5 pair of shoes are made overseas? Little league or big league, 9 out of 10 baseball mitts sold in the U.S. are made somewhere else. That sweater you wear to the bowling alley, where was it made? 7 out of 10 sweaters come from another land. And motorcycles? American motorcycles have just about disappeared. 19 out of 20 are foreign made. You get the picture? We're losing to the competition. It's time we recognize that working means a full day, every working day. We mean everybody. The others are gaining because we have forgotten how we made our business strong. We are only strong when everybody comes to work on time, all the time. We are strong when each person does his job and does it right the first time. How many times have you heard someone say, don't work too hard? Hard work is what made us strong. We are only strong when we are willing to compete with the whole world. There's no real way the government can save us. Tariffs and surtaxes only help for a little while. In the world market, foreign governments would soon put taxes on all goods made here. That means people in many U.S. industries lose the competitive edge. If they don't have jobs, they don't buy cars or appliances that need motors. Then it comes right back to us. We should know the facts of life. And here they are. As for appliance and air-moving motors, we're out of business. Closed up. Shut down. We didn't cut the mustard. In hermetic motors, we are operating at 50% of our capacity. That's 1/2 of what we can do. Industrial motors, we're working at 75% of capacity. A little better, but we should be running at 100%. We're 25% down. On the good side, we do have the energy absorbers to build. We are ahead of competitors in this one area. But how long can we stay that way? You can bet on this. We can't research and develop new ideas and then lose the business we had. Most of us grew up knowing about competition. If you score a field goal and the other guy scores a touchdown, he's ahead. That's what it's all about. Now, let's talk about what we can do about it. The equipment we work with is designed to be productive at a normal, consistent pace. It's the best machinery we could design and buy. But it must be run from the very moment you start your shift. If you're doing your job, you know it. But if you're not, you know that too. You see, we're paying the highest rates. We should set the highest goals for ourselves. The machines are there all the time, but they can't be used to advantage when people stay home from work. When we come to the plant, we come here with the idea that we'll do a full job for our pay. A full measure. That's what it's all about. We are the people who can really make the difference in competition. That's us. Us. Everybody has his own job. What matters is how we do it. We can't blame the other guy. It's our pride and our sense of value. If we don't do the job, somebody else will. And he or she may not live in Dayton or Rochester. The competition is out there, wherever people are willing to work at the job and give 100% effort. No amount of good management, modern machinery, or product research can substitute for our pride in our work. This runs pretty deep in all of us. We can only walk the world with dignity when we know we're giving our very best. And you know when you are. Dignity isn't the color of your shirt or the cut of your jacket. Dignity is what's in your heart and hands. Pride is knowing that you helped to build a product that can and will compete with anything and anybody in the whole world. And it's something more than that, too. It's knowing we have a place to work, and there's a job there for us. A place to work is where we find dignity. Believe me, it's how we go about it that counts. What's happened has happened. We can't replay the game and get back the jobs we lost. But we can make sure that it doesn't happen again and again. Well, we can. That's more like it. We is a big word. It's a personal word. It means a big effort from all of us. With a little pride and honest concern, we could put Delco products right back where we belong, on top. When we do it, we're buying something for ourselves. You see, this is our place. We work here. And that is what it's all about.